welcome back to my channel. So this is another Maths Olympiad challenge. For how many integers is the value square root n over 30 minus n is an integer. That means we have to find not only n, how many integers, how many n will be there. So let square root of n over 50 minus n equals to k. K is an integer. Squaring both the sides, I get n over 50 minus n equals to k or is k square, squaring both the sides, or 50k square minus k square n equals to n. Now taking it to one side, n into k square plus 1 equals to 50 n equals to 50k square by n k square plus 1. If n equals to dividing 12, then 50 minus 50 over k square plus 1. Let n is an integer, by k square plus 1 must be an integer. That means k square plus 1 is the divisor of 50. Let's take equal divisor of 50. And 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. So we go one by one. Before that, 1, that means k square plus 1 equals to 1. This gives k equals to 0. Next, k square plus 1 equals to 2. That means k equals to 1. K square plus 1 equals to 5. That means k equals to 2. K square plus 1 equals to 10. That means k equals to 3. K square plus 1 equals to 25. 25 does not give any value. Next is k square plus 1 is 50. 50 equals to 7. So we are getting the value of k as 0, 1, 3, sorry, 2, 3, and 7. There are 5 values. So we will get n now. N equals to 50 minus 50 by 1. That will be 0. And 0 equals to 1. This is k is equals to 0. And k equals to 1. And equals to 50. And 50 by 2. That will be 25. And k equals to 2. And equals to 50. And 50 by 5. That will be 40. And k equals to 3. And equals to 50 minus 50 by 10. That will be 45. And k is equals to 7. And equals to 50 minus 50 by 50. 49. So n has value 25, 40, 45, and 49.